All right, getting back to this weather. It's been so hot in November.
It has.
Any cool down?
You know, I've honestly liked it. I know the afternoon hours get a little bit warm, but the mornings are fantastic. Our normal is 50s, and we've been in the upper 60s is starting to build, but we will see some changes. I have some changes. The trade-off, they could come with some storms. We'll start right now with current conditions, 83 degrees. Our Santa Rita Ranch camera in the background there as the sun begins to wind down. Humidity at 49%. Winds are light out of the south. Cooling down to Bill's favorite number, 67. Winds out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And the clouds will build back in with some areas of patchy fog to kick off your Monday, but clouds of sun like the past few days, and we'll have nothing but a blue sky by the afternoon hours tomorrow. I have 87, the record 90 set back in 2013. I don't think we'll get close to that. Winds will stay out of the south, but still getting uncomfortably close to that record. Widespread for your Monday, mid to upper 80s, even a few low 90s. 90 out in Llano, 89 San Saba, 88 Lockhart, 89 Bastrop, 88 in LaGrange, and 86 degrees in Rockdale. Muggy meter shows will stay humid through the next few days, but pattern change, our front, Pacific cold front, not going to bring a huge crash of temperatures, but definitely a drop in humidity. So right now we have a low that's way out toward the Rockies. That's going to steer around the Lone Star State, but behind that, we're going to have another dip in the jet stream. That's going to allow for a few different things to happen. First, with the moisture from the Gulf and the Pacific, cold air coming in from the Rockies, that's going to allow for some sort of storm setup here in the southern plains. I have a 70% rain chance for Thursday, but pretty much any time from Tuesday till next Sunday, there's some sort of rain possibility here, although higher confidence it's going to be late Wednesday through Thursday, and then that drops off with scattered showers next weekend. So we will see some adjustments. It's 4 days out, so this isn't locked in, but this is how it could look. Clouds and radar, there's a 10% little patchy showers for your Tuesday. But Wednesday into Thursday, you'll see a little bit more organization build in. Thursday morning, by the afternoon and evening hours, there's that line that could bring some gusty winds. You know, the specific severe weather elements, we'll say all are on the table, although hail and spin-ups are definitely low. More just of some heavy rain and even some damaging winds on the front edge. But this should move through, developing still that structure of a line of heavy rain, and behind it by Friday, we'll see some drier air and some winds that are blowing out of the west-northwest, with even additional rain possible Saturday and Sunday. So through the next 7 days, I have 1 to 2 inches north of Austin, south of Austin, 1/4 of an inch to an inch plus. So beneficial rain, and some flooding is also possible there. High temperature trend, we'll see a continuation of 70s that will persist into next weekend. And even by then, it's not going to be below normal. Our normal high 72. Lows will go from the 60s to the 50s, and we'll continue to watch this storm threat. We'll have updates on KXAN.com/weather.